Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you something really cool. This is Pinokio browser, and it's really amazing because it allows us to install, run, and programmatically control any application automatically. This is very interesting, and I hope we're going to enjoy this video together. Anyway, if you haven't, I hope you're going to subscribe to the channel and like this video. And if you have any question or comments, please write it down in the comment section below, and I hope we can talk. And anyway, going to the video, again, this is a Pinokio browser. It allows us to install, run, and control databases, AI apps, or anything on your computer with one click. So for us to get started, we're going to click this button here. We're going to click download, and when you click this is something that's really interesting. It allows us to choose whether if we are going to have it in Windows, M1 or M2 Mac, Intel Macs, and Linux. So for us, I'm going to choose Windows because I'm using Windows for now. And then here's what you're going to do. Step one, you're going to download it. I actually have downloaded this one yesterday, so I'm just going to cancel this one. Alright, so I'm going to open mine. Okay, here it is. And then I'm going to try to extract the files here. Right, there you go. And then I'm going to click this one in order to start setting it up. Okay, and we're going to open this one. Okay, so select an install folder and press setup. So yes, I'm just going to have it there. I only have drive C anyway, so I'm going to click setup. Alright, so now install is success. Let's try to go back to the dashboard and launch the app. So I'm going to click done, and then from here I'm going to click launch. So let's see what will happen. Okay, as you can see here, the status is running, and then we're going to click open web UI. Alright, so now that we are here, let's try to click load default. There you go. So we have generated this one. Congratulations to us. And then let's try to basically just do this thing and try to generate that one. I'm just going to change this one into a preview image. Alright, there you go. And then let's try to change this 1024 and still the same thing, 1024, and generate about 2 images. And then let's try the Q prompt and let's see how this is going to be. And voila, there's our image from Comfy UI installed via Pinokio browser. And once again, that's Pinokio application. You can do the same thing for all the other things here that you find helpful. We have, for example, audio LDM2, audio Gradio, and basically all the other things. For Stable Diffusion Automatic 1111, this is the one that you're going to do. You can just install this one, run it, and yes, that's how you're going to do it. Congratulations, everyone. I hope you learned something. Once again, this is the Pinokio browser. It allows you to install, run, and programmatically control any applications. What do you think of this particular application? I hope you're going to comment down below.